Get ready. A. Spell day on number 8. Let's spell it. D-A-Y, day. Number 9, play. I love to play outside. Tell me the sound you hear in play. Get ready. P-L-A. Again. P-L-A. Play on number 9. All right, let's spell play. P-L-A-Y, play. And number 10, stay. Stay. Tell me the sounds you hear in stay. Get ready. S-T-A. Spell stay on number 10. All right, let's spell it. S-T-A-Y. What word? Yes, stay. All right, at the bottom of the page, you're going to practice reading those words out loud and spelling them out loud to someone. Remember, those will eventually become spelling words. Those sight words, so practice them. You're also going to have some that follow the rules we've been learning. So make sure you go over those. Let's review some vowel rules. All right. When we're coding, how do we code digraphs? We underline, and then we follow any rules with the sounds that they have. Combinations and diphthongs we code with. And arc. That's right. All right, final stable syllables are coded with a bracket. What do we do with the sneaky E? Cross it out. Accent is on the first syllable. All right, so far we've learned if it is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, we divide between the two consonants. Accent is on the first syllable. Very good job. All right, let's go over your coding page today. Turn to it. Okay, diagram AY says A, and it's coded just like it shows at the top. Number 1, how do we code it? Diagram AY. Macron over the A. Cross out your Y. Let's sound it out. A. What word? Stay. Number 2. We have digraph AI. sound it out. Jail. What word? Jail. Number 3, how do we code it? Now we've got digraph SH. And we have OU. It could be a diphthong or a digraph. We always sound it out first as a diphthong. So we're going to use the ow sound first. Let's sound it out and see if it makes sense. Sh, out, shout. Does that make sense? Up or down? Yes, that is a word, shout. So we're going to code it with an arc. Shout. Number 4. We have AY. And then we have a C that needs a K back. A clay. Number 5. EE is a digraph. Sound it out. Sweet. Sweet. And number 6. OW. We have to decide which sound. Let's start with the diphthong. Let's do the ow. Own. Town. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. So we need the arc. All right. Now it's time for our passage. Remember, if you get to a story that you cannot read, code the words and try to sound them out before you get help reading them. We know that moldy hay is not good for a horse. If the horse eats it, it can make the horse sick. Last week it rained for 3 days. The hay got wet and could mold. So we will not feed it to our horse. Number 7. What got wet? The horse, the hay, the mold. Underline your answer and bubble it in. All right, it tells us the hay got wet. So what got wet? The hay. What could happen to the hay? What could happen to the hay? Underline your answer and write it down. It says the hay got wet and could mold. So what could happen? The hay could mold. It could mold because it got wet. That's the problem. write your answer. I'll give you a minute for you to write yours. Number 9, moldy hay is good for horses. Yes or no? Underline the sentence that gives you your answer. And it says, we know that moldy hay is not good. So no, it is not good. All right, Miss Spires was able to use the passage to find all of her answers. I was using the evidence from the text to support my answers. So make sure when you're reading, you're able to go back and support your answers. Right, on the back, you're going to read your words to someone after you code them and you're able to read them. Read your passage. If you can't read it all, code some of the words that you can't read to be able to sound them out. Read it, answer your questions. Go back and underline to make sure you know for sure you have the right answer. You may take a picture with your computer and upload it to me if you want me to check your work. That's totally up to you. Alright, today you also have a decodable airmail. I will do this on a separate video on the computer and send it to you. Alright, it is going to go over AI and AY, digraphs AI and AY. So you will do this for the next 2 days as well. I'll have links for you to read and practice it, okay? This will help with your reading skills. And make sure you're also doing airmail, the decodable. Alright, remember, everyone that's working hard gets that Friday surprise, so make sure you're working hard.